Why, Cheers, I'm back. I'm recording this on the 31st of October. It's Halloween, everyone, and I've got a box just arrived. So, anyway, what is this? It's a website called Giving Gifts. You give gifts to strangers. It started off with Reddit gifts, which closed, which absolutely broke my heart. And then a fantastic organization created Giving Gifts, which is the same kind of principle, and you give gifts to strangers, and it's just arrived. It's a big box. I got no idea what's in it. And I even right now I don't even know what exchange this is because I'm doing a sale at the moment. I did the Japan one, Advent calendar one, and um snacks. So whatever's in this box, I'm literally gonna find out when I open it. Okay. What's in the box? What's in the box? Okay, it's a box from a. Actually, I'll keep the box. Is there a note? Is there a note? Okay. Enjoy your gift. Love, Japan Santa. From her name's Sophia. Okay. Okay. Sorry, there's no way to actually open this book delicately. Right. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, this is amazing. Look, look. It's a Japanese gift bowl set. Look. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. You know, just ripping through the paper like that. Oh, look at that. Look. Oh, I love it. It's my Japan Santa. Oh, this is amazing. For my Santa, I got snacks. Oh, this is lovely. Thank you so much. Thank you.